Last time on the Doctors Are in NEWSTART series, we looked at the importance of proper nutrition. Today, we're diving into the E in NEWSTART exercise. Whether you're taking your first steps on a fitness journey or you're a seasoned workout enthusiast, this video is for you. Exercise isn't just about physical strength or appearance, it's about longevity, mental clarity, and overall wellness. How much should we aim for daily? Experts recommend at least 30 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking, 5 days a week. But don't worry if you're just starting out. Even 10-minute sessions can make a difference and get the ball rolling. Why is exercise so important? Here are just a few of its incredible benefits. Regular physical activity boosts your mood thanks to those feel-good endorphins. It improves heart health, strengthens muscles and bones, and even supports better sleep. And let's not forget, it's a powerful tool for managing weight and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. To make exercise a regular part of your lifestyle, it helps to find what you enjoy. Let's hear some tips and tricks from the experts. Don't think of exercise as a chore. Find activities that make you smile. Love music? Dance it out. Prefer peace and quiet? Try yoga or Tai Chi. The key is to move in a way that makes you happy. Set small, achievable goals. For example, commit to a 10-minute walk after dinner. Gradually increase the duration as your stamina improves. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small. They keep you motivated. Pair your exercise with proper hydration and a nutrient-rich diet. Your body needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Oh, and always remember to warm up and stretch to avoid injuries. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip. Variety is the spice of life and fitness. Mix up your workouts to stay engaged and challenge your body in new ways. One day, you might focus on cardio, the next, strength training or flexibility work. That's it for today's episode of the Doctors Are in NEWSTART series on the Vegan Lifestyle blog. Exercise is a gift to your body, mind, and spirit, so let's honor it daily. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health-focused content. And remember, small steps lead to big results. See you next time.